Hey guys, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe as it will really help us out to bring you the absolute best content geared towards mini car collections and help us grow together. Without further ado, let's jump right into this. So today we got the third car culture set for 2020, the Thrill Climber set. I'm super excited about this set. We have 3 brand new castings to introduce for this. First car of the set we have over here is the Audi Sport Quattro. This was already featured in 2020. It was a new mainline and also came out as a super treasure hunt in one of the earlier cases for this year. So you have really nice deco on the outside. We're gonna look at the card a little bit. Yeah, we got Thrill Climbers right up there in the top corner. All the 5 cars in this set. We've seen this one, which was a super treasure hunt in 2018, if I believe, but I really like this decal. Porsche 934.5. Yeah, this is one of the 3 new castings. I'm really looking forward to this even being a mainline. Ford RS 200, 3 of 5, really nice decoing on this. We were actually lucky enough, I know they corrected this card. This is the Lancia 037, really nice. They made a mistake on the card, as you can see over here, Lancia Racing. These were fixed, however, we must have gotten one of the cases that still had the older versions of it, but going forward, all the new ones did get a revised artwork, and it's properly written in Lancia. See here on the top of the car, it's actually, the tampo is actually the proper way. Yeah, I'm gonna open these, it's gonna look really good. And a Volkswagen IDR, this is an electric car, but it's got a massive spoiler. Yeah, let's start this one. We're gonna open this one up. This feels really solid. I really like the wheel choice on this. Really nice, very nicely detailed Volkswagen logo at the top. We got a number 94, the Volkswagen R badging on the hood, the really tiny. Let's see if we could zoom in there. Focus. Volkswagen badging in the front, and 94 R badging in the back, and this ridiculous spoiler. I'm not sure if this spoiler is actually on the real racing car. But I like even the base. They took a lot of attention to detail on the base. This, I don't know if this is supposed to be like an imitation of a fiber or composite, even up here in the corner. Yeah, really nice. I like this base. Yeah, Volkswagen IDR, 2019 Mattel. Yeah, that's a keeper. Now this Lancia, whichever way you want to call these. And this is really nice. I really like this car. I hope they make even a mainline of this one. You got a really nice, look at that, a pretty nicely detailed engine. You got the proper Lancia Racing tampo up on top. You have another nice Lancia logo on the hood. Got nice tampo headlights. Pirelli everywhere. Yeah, this one, I really like even the wheel choice for this. Did a really superb job. Feels nice. It's got a good weight to it. Ford RS. Feels very, for a premium, feels pretty light. It's a nice looking car, don't get me wrong. Got the RS 200 badging in the back, the Ford badging. Got some tampos on the side. These are brand new real riders. Got the Ford badging in the front, on the hood, Pirelli everywhere. Feels light. I was expecting hopefully a little bit more. Feels very plain to me for a premium casting. This looks like something that they would literally just take, put real riders on them, and that's it. I'm a little disappointed on this one. Yeah, brand new casting. You got the Ford RS 200 right there, made in Thailand, 2019 Mattel. Porsche 934.5. This looks really similar to the Super Treasure Hunt that we recently saw last year. I brought it here. I compared these. It literally looks like a carbon. I used the same casting, same wheel choice. I wouldn't have anything different, you know. For the Porsche, looks super solid. No, I don't think they made any modifications to this casting. Oh, seems like they did. There might have been some minor adjustments to this casting, because here we got 2019 on the base, which means probably Mattel did some little change, at least, to this casting for this year. We're gonna put the Super on the side. We got number 77 on the back, got the Hot Wheels in the rear. You have the Lufton Colt on both sides. Number 77 on the hood, 77 on the sides. You got the Porsche banding. The rear wing. Painted headlights. You know, I was hoping they would have put similar to the Lancia headlights, you know, something at least that has a little bit of a color on there, or an actual physical shape of a headlight. But still, one of my favorite castings, always. And for all you Porsche fans out there, I'm sure you would all agree with me. Hit a comment down below if this Porsche is one of yours. And the Audi Sport Quattro. You know, I'm really excited to see this one in this new trinked out decal and as a premium version. Yeah, got some nice weight, good detail on this. The Audi Quattro on the back. Got some Audi 1, Castrol, Audi Sport. Got nice painted headlights, the Audi badging right in the front. Got this little plastic simulation of a hood vent. Michelin. Yeah, the same wheels that they used on the Super Treasure Hunt. Yeah, even treaded. Those are nice. Really nice, as opposed to being flat. But this is really good. I'm really happy with this one. I was hoping that they would make this as a premium model right after they released the mainline version, and they did it almost literally right after. A couple months later they introduced it in Thrill Climbers. I'm sure they already had it in mind to do it, and I'm really happy they did. Kudos to the Hot Wheels team. That wraps this unboxing, guys. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time again to this channel, we would appreciate if you would please subscribe. Drop a comment down below. Let us know which one was your favorite. Click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to like and share this video, as it would help promote this content to others such as yourselves. Never stop collecting. As always, I'm Adrian, and we'll see you in the next one.